Example 2. Using rules of differentiation, determine f-x if f of x equals x plus 3 cube over cube root of x. Solution. Consider the function. Let us expand the function. Simplifying, using the rules of exponents, we get. Let us now find the derivative of the function. Consider the first term. D over dx of x to the power 8 over 3 equals 8 over 3 times x to the power 5 over 3. Consider the second term. D over dx of 9 times x to the power 5 over 3 equals 15 times x to the power 2 over 3. Consider the third term. Now we consider the last term. D over dx of 27 equals 0. Substituting the values. Therefore f-x equals 8 over 3 times x to the power 5 over 3 plus 15x to the power 2 over 3 plus 18 x to the power negative 1 over 3.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.